Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get a Pocket Option promo code and use it to boost your trading account. Pocket Option occasionally releases promo codes during special events, seasonal campaigns, or app updates. These codes can give you deposit bonuses, extra funds, or other perks. You can usually find them in the Pocket Option app under the Chat, Notifications, or Promo sections, or sometimes on their official website or social media pages. Once you have a valid promo code, log into your Pocket Option account and head to the Deposit or Finance section. Enter the promo code in the field provided and complete your deposit. If the code is valid and the conditions are met, the bonus will automatically be applied to your account. Some popular codes like 50 Start can give a bonus on your first deposit, but always check for the latest and active codes. Using a promo code is a simple way to get extra funds for trading, but make sure to read any rules or requirements so you know exactly how it works. If this helped you, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading tip or tutorial. Drop a comment if you want more guides like this.